Hey everyone, it's MarsReview, a Martian food reviewer. Now imagine this. You're in heaven and God approaches you and says, "You are welcome to my feast of the gods." Now, you approach the dinner table of the gods and you are humbled and surprised to encounter chicken nuggets from 3 different American fast food corporations. You encounter McDonald's chicken nuggets, McDonald's McNuggets, Burger King's chicken nuggets, and last but not least, Wendy's chicken nuggets, not the spicy ones. Now, everyone has this question. Everyone's at least asked this question once in their lives. Which of these 3 fast food places has the best chicken nuggets? Don't worry everyone, because today MarsReview is going to answer that question that all of you have been wondering. Now, for sauce, I decided to pick Wendy's sweet and sour sauce because that's my personal favorite. I'll be rating these from worst to best on the techno scale, my personal scale, MarsReview scale. I'll be giving each of them a rating. I'll describe them for you. Don't worry, I got that covered. I got you. Don't worry about that. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So first of all, we have McDonald's chicken nuggets. These are actually, in comparison to the others, the bigger ones. I actually haven't had McDonald's chicken nuggets in the longest time. I remember last time I had them was when I was a little child. Just, trying to get a Happy Meal. And, well, the chicken nuggets were literally to die for, so. Here it is, this beautiful creation of God. Oof. Chicken nugget. I know you could kind of like give it like a little shape. It's like a little boot. Alright, so with sweet and sour sauce, I'm gonna dip this beauty in there. And let's figure out. Actually, maybe I should have tried it before the sauce, but whatever. So with the sauce. Without the sauce. I miss that taste. I feel like I'm right in that dinner table with the gods, man. But in reality, I'm just in my car making a little mess. But who cares, because today's food review is all about that. Alright, so I'm gonna give it another try, but here's what I'm noticing about these this chicken nugget in particular from McDonald's is that this is really sweet and salty. It has some salt in it, without the sauce. And yeah, you know what, it's crispy, but it's not too crispy, so it's like kind of tender. Like I like this. I really appreciate this chicken nugget. I like it, you know what? It's beautiful. Definitely enjoyable. If you get a big pack of these chicken nuggets and you bring it to the party, everyone's gonna love you, man. And if they don't, that's weird because, Alright, so next up, we have Burger King The beautiful, beautiful chicken nuggets of Burger King. You know, I actually hear a lot of like bad stuff about these nuggets. To be honest with you, I never really tried them, so I can't say much. But they look kind of cute. Getting really sunny. Alright. Leave the camera like this. Alright, so. And when I mean cute, these chicken nuggets are actually kind of small. Actually, I lied. They're kind of the same size, but a little smaller. These ones seem a little like, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like grainy from the outside. All right, let's try it without the sauce. Without the sauce first. It's different, you know? It's definitely different from McDonald's. This one really has kind of like less of a taste. Less of a taste. You know, with sauce, like sweet and sour sauce makes everything like much better. Just saying. All right, another bite of this beautiful chicken nugget. As I said, there's not really any like there's not much taste to it, and it's not that addicting. But it's still a chicken nugget. Like, it's still kind of like, you know, chickeny. And I appreciate that. At least it's not that bad as people say it is. It's not too good either. I mean, it's not good either. You know, if I'm eating a chicken nugget, I want to like have the best experience eating a chicken nugget, you get me? I want it to be addicting. Alright, next up on the list, we have Wendy's. The beautiful Wendy's that I actually so very love. This is my second favorite fast food place, right next to Taco Bell. I love Taco Bell. Alright. But yeah, today isn't about Taco Bell. Today is about chicken nuggets. And we're about to try Wendy's chicken nuggets. Alright, so these, they all look different. Like, they're all chicken nuggets and they're all like kind of shaped the same. McDonald's by far has had the bigger nuggets. Wendy's and Burger King kind of have relatively the same chicken nugget size. So yeah, also crispy, looks kind of grainy. So yeah, let's give it a try without the sauce first. Yeah. This one's really tender, and I could like there's texture to it. But like Burger King, there really wasn't much of a taste. But this one, like, you know, it's a little sweet. A little sweet. I'll give it that. Now with the Wendy's sweet and sour, I almost fainted just saying. Alright. So there's a moment you've all been waiting for. Which of these nuggets is the best and which is the worst? Worst? Burger King. But compared to these other two chicken nuggets, like, it's not bad. You know, like, if I'm at Burger King, like, might as well get chicken nuggets, you know, if, like, you really crave it. It's not bad either. It's just the taste wasn't, like, as prominent. You get me? Like, I would have to give it like a 5.5 out of 10. You know, because like when I eat a chicken nugget, I want it to be addicting. It wasn't really salty. The flavor, it wasn't really that sweet. I mean, it wasn't bitter either, you know, like it's, you know. So it was a good chicken nugget. It was, you know, 5 is average. It was above average, 5.5, like slightly. Now, Wendy's comes after it. Therefore, you know, McDonald's is after first place. But I give Wendy's a good 7.5 out of 10. Actually, I give Wendy's a 7 out of 10. But why is that, MarsReview? I give it a 7 out of 10. Because, well, this one had texture to it, slightly some sweetness to it, like you could feel it and taste it, and yeah. And I mean, it could be addicting because I know, like, whenever I get like a 4 for $4 and I eat these nuggets, like, I go crazy in those chicken nuggets, man. I go crazy in those chicken nuggets. Now, McDonald's, man. Look how, okay, first of all, McDonald's chicken nuggets are big. They're bigger than, like, you would expect. They're, like, nicely, like, they're kind of crispy, you get me? But, like, it's really tender. And it's, like, salty and sweet, you know? Like, it's crazy. It's a like, crazy chicken nugget. There it is. If you're a chicken nugget addict like me, go to McDonald's, man. I'm not actually an addict. In the techno scale, if we're talking chicken nuggets, 9 out of 10. Easily 9 out of 10. You pay a low price for chicken nuggets? That's insane. And these chicken nuggets in particular, like, they go hard. I'm just saying. Well, everyone, that was MarsReview. MarsReview's chicken nugget ultimate review. I reviewed Burger King, Wendy's, and McDonald's in today's video. That's some crazy stuff. So, tell me what y'all think about these chicken nuggets. What would you rate them? How would you list them? What do you think? Tell me down below. I'm always checking comments, so just, you know, I'll reply to it if, like, you know, or I like it, you know, I'll just check it out. And just give the video a like if you liked it, you know how it is. And if you like this content, check out my other videos and, you know, subscribe. I'm fairly new to this, so that would be really helpful. So I hope you really enjoyed today's video. This has been MarsReview. Peace.